To the viewers or followers or students, these are the some of the Igbo revelation names in Unnaitoli, now Italy. They are as follows: Chiara, Bianca, Haria, Hina, Hato, Hitoli. I will start from Chiara. The original name for Chiara, it is Chidera, and Chidera means God has written. It was Chidera, the colonists. They created Chiara from, and the original name for Chiara, it is Chidera. Next, it is Haria Hina, and Haria Hina, it is 100% Igbo name. Haria means possession, while Hina means father. And when you bring in Aria and add it together with Hina, it will give you Haria Hina. Simply means father possession or father prize possession. The European name for Aria Hina, it is Ariana, and one N was removed from the double N in Aria Hina. To the viewers or students, the name Bianca, it is never an European name. Bianca, it is 100% an Igbo full name. Bianca, it is actually means come here. Come here. What about names like Arthur, Itoli? They both have strong meaning in today's world Igbo land. To the modern Igbo, the Batustans, the above revelation make the entire Unnaitoli, now Italy, the member of the family Batusta, the children of the Igbo. To the student or followers or professors, the original Igbo name for Italy, it is Unnaitoli, means nine father. Modern Igbo number for 9, it is called Utolu. In Igbo original language, 9, it is called Itoli. For example, we have a village or town called Itoli in today's world Igbo land in central Igbo region, and Itoli means 9 towns. In Igbo original language, Una means father and Itoli means 9. Join Una and Italy, it will give you Unnaitoli. It is Unnaitoli, the colonist, bastardized to now Italy and Italy. To the colonists, Unnaitoli, it is Italy.